Samsung event. It's a preview event for all the Galaxy watches and Galaxy phones that is going to be announced. And two of the Galaxy phones will be the Galaxy Flip6 and the Galaxy Fold6. If you have seen the previous Z Fold5, the Z Fold6 is very similar. It now has a wider cover screen, a better processor, which is the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, and new colors like silver shadow, pink and navy. The weight of this Fold6 is just 7 grams heavier than the S24 Ultra, and of course it's powered by Galaxy AI. The Galaxy Z Flip6 is also powered by Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. It's very similar to Flip 5, however in my opinion one of the biggest changes is the camera. It now has a flagship camera of 50 megapixel. It has 4 colors: silver shadow, blue, yellow and mint. And yes, it is powered by Galaxy AI. Remember the flip suit case? It has been upgraded. Selected casing will have lightings when you flip open the phone or close it. Next, we have the Galaxy Watch Ultra. This is the premium and most rugged version of all the Galaxy watches. It has the round screen design and is water resistant up to 100 meters. It has a battery life of 100 hours in power saving mode and is powered by Wear OS 5. The Galaxy 7 is a more familiar look. It has enhanced sensors and processor to keep track of your health and workout. Okay, over here you can see that there's two different models of the earbuds. One is the Buds3 and this is the Buds3 Pro. And how you differentiate it is the Buds3 Pro will have a blade light over here, and the Buds3 will not have it. So maybe more on this Buds3 Pro. Okay, by right, if you touch the sensor at the bottom, it should light up. So let me try.
A few moments later.
Let me touch this. It's too sensor. Yeah, so they light up when it's been touched. The last part is using Galaxy AI to create a masterpiece with just simple drawings.
Okay.
Check them out.
So I'll just mainly show you this one first. So this is the, you can just illustrate anything. Yeah, see? And then you can actually choose different types of illustrations. Yeah, from watercolor all the way to cartoon.
Okay.
So maybe you can choose cartoon and we press generate. And then it will take some time to generate.
So basically, then you can have the few options to
Yeah, so you can see here, right?
Right.
Got a few
okay.
illustrations to choose. Yeah. So this is one way. Yeah, another way, right? So this is the original. Another way, right, is you can actually add things to pictures.
Okay.
Yeah. So for example, let me have this photo.
Okay.
So for example, I want to add a flower to his pocket.
Okay. Right.
Yeah. So what I do is I press here. I can sketch.
Okay.
So for example, I draw a flower.
Okay.
Then I generate. So you see, like, this is the original one, right? Then you
Right.
see got different like flower variations.
I see. It's
yeah.
very nice. Yeah.
So,
this will only be available on the Fold or on the Flip also.
Flip also can, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
But Fold you have this pen that you can use. Flip, can you use the pen?
I don't think so.
Okay.
Yeah.
So only the Fold you can use.
Yeah.
The pen. Okay. Let me draw something on this Galaxy Fold and see how it becomes after I use the AI to change it. So yeah. So can I change it? How do I change it? Generate.
You can choose.
I choose
which one
3D.
first? 3D, yeah, they can generate.
Okay. See how that is. Okay, this guy helps.
See how they interpret.
Wow, nice. Nice. Oh, I like it.
Very like abstract.
Yeah. So I can use back the original and change it
You
to
can change.
watercolor. Oh, nice. You don't need to be an artist, you just need to anyhow scratch something and then you can come out nice.
Actually, if you're not satisfied with the generated one, you can
Yeah.
just keep generating.
Oh, okay.
It will
You keep
produce
pressing.
different
I see. I
results.
see.
Yeah.
Nice.
No,
Okay.
you can choose a nice one that you like.
Oh, this. Can I save it? Okay, image save. So you can save the image and then go to this and you can see from here this is a generated image from the sketch that I've done just now. And that is it. Hope you enjoyed this little preview of the latest Samsung devices and Galaxy AI. See you.